I'm a little nervous about it. This is my happy face. Hello again, puzzle friends. Welcome back. I'm Ingrid, and for today's video, I want to do a speed puzzle video. So the puzzle is a special one because it's the one from the Battle of the Two Puzzlers, and I want to do this because on Monday it's the International Puzzle Day, 29 February, well, January, because we are in January. And I figured out that for me, a better way to start this celebration earlier is to do the Battle of the Two Puzzler, which I have here. And yeah, speed puzzle video. Well, even if I didn't manage yet to do a puzzle in under those 90 minutes, maybe this will be the first. We will never know until we try, you know? So without further introduction, let's go to puzzle. Happy puzzling, everyone! So excited, I finished it, and I finished it in under 90 minutes. I finally did it, and I break all my records, and I am so happy. This is my happy face.